if you're handling a property damage claim in Arizona without a lawyer, you obviously start a little bit behind the eight ball because you're working without a lawyer. Having said that, there are some vital steps to kind of know, have some information. It may help you if you're working with the other insurance company. The first thing you're going to want to know is, what is the law when it comes to claims related to what we call property damage? Property damage basically translates in normal English to basically damage to a car, truck, motorcycle, whatever was going on in the roadway that was involved in the collision. What are your rights? The rights in Arizona are basically established by a case called Farmers v. RBL Investments. And it says you have the following rights. One, you have a right to have your property damage, your vehicle, repaired or replaced. Generally, although you can argue it and there are situations where it can be negotiated, usually the insurance company, since it's their responsibility to repair or replace, gets to make the decision to repair or replace. If they choose to repair it, they can go ahead, go in and repair it, and while they're repairing it, they also owe you what's called loss of use. Basically, while that car is being repaired, you don't have a car, so they have to give you a rental or the money for every day you're without the vehicle. Also, if they repair the vehicle, they owe you diminution in value, which is basically the difference between, your vehicle is worth less after it's been in a wreck than it is before it's been in a wreck if you try to resell it. Well, you have a right for that difference in Arizona. And sometimes you're dealing with an insurance carrier, and that insurance carrier doesn't do a lot of Arizona work. They may not know it. You might want to cite the case, Farmers v. RBL Investments, and say, hey, in addition to the cost of repairs, the loss of use or rental, I'm entitled to the difference in the value. Now, they also have the opportunity, if they want, if the car is what we call a total loss, if it's totaled, they can go ahead and replace it. If they replace it, the value of the vehicle is not Kelley Blue Book, although that's an interesting guide to start with, but it doesn't really matter, and it's not what it's worth to you. The value of the vehicle is what would the vehicle have been worth if you had tried to sell it on Cars.com or Autotrader.com or wherever you would have listed it in the open market on the day before the incident. So brand new tires or new chrome rims or whatever you have, they only matter insofar as they added value to the vehicle on resale, and that's what market value is. So if you have to handle a property damage claim on your own, remember your rights, remember the case, and try to work with the insurance company. And if they do try to replace your vehicle, go ahead and get some information online that shows what the vehicle would have been worth if you went to try to sell it.